Good evening. I'm Kavita Karki and you're watching Emerging SME, a television program which highlights the achievements of such SMEs who from a modest beginning have now become a brand name in their respective business vertical. The first company in today's episode is Oilfield Warehouse and Services. Mr. Vinay Sharma is the inventor of warehousing services for the oil and gas companies in India, which saved millions of dollars for the country and brought great deal of savings for the oil and gas operators. He ventured and pioneered a new path that was followed by many thereafter.
OWS started its commercial operation in 2006, and ever since then you have been so big, you've grown so big that you've become the preferred partners of most of the large companies in India, oil and gas industry. So how has been this journey so far?
See, in 2000 we started this operation. Before that I was in a job with the Reliance Industries, and while working there I felt the need of this kind of business or service.
Mr. Vinay, OWS is a pioneer in SEZ-based material management services in India. So what are the benefits that you enjoy in free zone-based warehousing?
See, the benefits are for everybody. They enjoy a benefit of time and cost. For example, any customer of ours, they have got a big job in, say, ONGC. They have to bring material from many places. In a normal circumstance, they have to bring it, do the custom clearance. In our case, they have a benefit. They can bring in material from, say, 20 countries, bring in without any custom duty, without any custom document also. They can make a systematic delivery plan first in requirement and then keep on removing the material as per requirement. And then second is, after the job is over, they bring it here and they can do the testing, cleaning, maintenance, everything. All the raw material or even the consumables required for the maintenance of the rig or maintenance of the equipment can be brought in duty free. All the operators have started saving on their rentals.
Mr. Vinay, OWS is pioneer in SEZ-based management materials services in India. So what are the benefits that you enjoy when you have a free zone-based warehousing?
Let's start with our customers. Our customers have great advantage in cost, reduction in the cost of bringing it, taking it out. And more important so is that in earlier times when we were not in this line, the material if is going to Dubai, when it is going and coming from Dubai only, during that period they are not getting any rent because material is not deployed. In our case, from the time we have come in, now they have deployment increase by about 30%. So they save on that money, cost of sending it, plus they are earning. So it's a double benefit for our customers. Another benefit is when the equipment comes back after the job, it can be serviced, maintenance done here in the free zone, and all the material required like consumables or spares can be brought duty free. So that is a saving.
Mr. Vinay, OWS SEZ is a plug-and-play model. So what are the benefits that you enjoy under this?
See, we have a plug and play model in two spheres, two kinds. For the material management, the customer has nothing to do. They just have to have a commercial agreement with us and we do everything for them. Another plug and play model is if some company, a foreign company, has to work in India. In our case, we have a license where a foreign company can have an agreement, commercial agreement with us. Thereafter, bring their capital goods duty free, raw material duty free, or one or two persons only to supervise. Rest everything is given by us. And after say 2, 3, 4 years or 5 years, if they wish to wind up, they can just close with our agreement, commercial agreement, and then go back. They don't have to worry for any government approval or closure or opening or filing returns, nothing. That's the best plug and play model available with OWS.
So, Mr. Vinay, can you tell us about the services that you offer to your clients and the various client base that you have?
We started with oil and gas. In oil and gas segment, we provide all kind of services. Rather interestingly, we thought of providing only the material management within the warehouse, SCR warehouse. But then customer wanted the entire services. So we had to go for freight forwarding, trucking, and custom clearance at gateway ports and everything. So now we provide end-to-end services. We pick up their material from anywhere in the world, bring it to the gateway port or airport, do the transit custom clearance. So the entire gamut of services we provide to our customers. Now coming on to the who are our customers? Every major oil and gas service provider is our customer.
Please give us an insight on the OWS technical division when collaborated with international companies.
We have a separate company which is called OWS Technical Services. In this company, we have few collaboration with outside companies, mainly from America. One of the major achievement what we have in OWS Technical Services is decontamination services at the refineries. We brought a technology which is called with the steam. It's a vapor technology, vapor phase. We inject a chemical with the steam, and it takes only 20% time, safest and quickest. Another thing which we are bringing in India is biodegradable lubricants made from vegetable oils. Another thing which we have brought is from Turkey is a technology in which we can do not only waterproofing of the buildings, it can reduce the temperature inside by 2 to 5%, and most importantly, if there is an earthquake, the building will not fall. It will support the building.
What are the environment policies of OWS?
See, we have planted a lot many trees. We don't waste water. We circulate the water. And if you can see, we have planted trees in the name of each of our customer in the entire premises. This is a thanks to our customers. In their name, we have planted each a neem tree.
Towards the end of the show, Mr. Vinay, I would like to ask you about how do you see the growth prospect of OWS down the line, let's say in the next 5-10 years?
Now, in next coming years, what we see is that instead of just putting all the eggs in one basket of oil and gas, we have started diversifying into other products and services. From oil and gas, we went to polymers, then polymer related things. And now we are planning to get into electronic warehousing and other commodity warehousing, where we insulate ourselves from the shocks of the international market.
Here we'll take a short break. Lots more on the other side. Stay tuned in.